grandfather was chef, and what I remember most about him is that he taught me how to chop wood. So you see my dad and my grandpa and my uncles, they would take the whole cow head, put it in the ground with a fire, cover it, seal the edges with dirt, put a bunch more fire on top, leave it in there overnight, usually 10, 11 hours, pull it all out in the morning, and then they would pull all the meat apart. My mom, my grandma were making fresh corn tortillas, and then we'd go in the house, we'd all sit around the table, and everybody would make some fresh tacos. A lot of times as a kid, you don't really pay attention to all of those steps and all that process, but the memory records it all, so I remember all of that. That's an amazing breakfast. That's the real true barbacoa. But nowadays, you know, we live in the city, so we can't dig holes in the ground. So we're doing it in our offset smoker over here. Just one big 4-pound lengua and 5 pounds of cachete. It's not exactly the same because we don't have a whole head in there, but it's very, very close. You get a little bit of that smoke that you used to get from the ground. We call it especial. It's a specialty down here when you put them all together like that. Barbacoa is an art. It's a longer cook. It's a much more traditional way of cooking and creating really a good, delicious meal. But it's not just the meal. It's about showing our kids how to do it the way our parents used to do it and our grandparents used to do it.